All right, we're here at a Seafood City supermarket. This, somebody told me that this is really a big.
Not that big, but
It's not a big, but it's a good one.
big.
And then we got Jollibee, home of the famous Chicken Joy. And this is like in the Philippines, Jollibee. Uh, let's see. So this is the seafood. Oh, Seafood City supermarket, but not a food to eat. Like,
Yeah, there's a eating in this
oh, really?
Oh, pumunta muna ako dito kasi
Oh, okay,
one
I'll
way
go
lang
with you.
to.
Oh,
Hindi.
okay.
Ito, pasok ko lang pero hindi ko pwedeng pumasok na
Doon. Oh,
doon.
okay.
So,
I'll go with
everything's
you.
one way. Oh, I'll meet you doon ka.
Oh, okay.
I'll meet you sa
Uh,
May bibili lang ako.
Oh, okay. Seafood City. Here we go. We're coming in, man. All right. Oh, do not enter. Entrance. All right.
Pagkain na ako, burger.
Oh, that's all you got? All right. See if this is good. Looks good. Food looks good. All right. Filipino traditional food. It's really nice. I want some of the seafood. Nice. That is really nice. It's a Filipino cuisine called tocino. Looks nice. It's really nice. Tasty. I like that. You got the tapa and some fish. This is really good Filipino food.
Hi,
Yeah, I'm gonna get that bihon, called that bihon in the Philippines. Salamat ho, pare. Wala ito sa Indiana eh. Oh, Fort Wayne. Hamburger lahat. Okay, yan lang. Oh, yan. It's a little delicacy here. Bibingka. Some Filipino food. Yes. Alright guys, I'll show you what I got from this authentic Filipino food in, where's this house? Just in Chicago. Yeah, it's in Chicago. Let me see. Whoa! Look at that. Nice. Yes. This is what we call tocino. It's made out of pork, marinated, barbecue, right? And my favorite, the squid. This is the whole squid. And then the bihon, or we call that rice noodle. Look at that. So I might not eat all this, but I will take this to the hotel. Look at that. This is so good. So this is it, guys. We come and eat at the City Grill City. It's a seafood supermarket or something.
Yeah.
Okay. And we got Jollibee right there too.
Red ribbon.
Thank you, Tony Boy, for bringing me out here and showing me the Filipino roots. Thank you. See, I forgot to tell you how does it taste. Alright, let's start with this squid.
Pretty late. Ewan ko lang.
Yeah.
Okay, okay naman eh. The fruit, man.
Tastes good.
Ang malambot.
Mm. Just tastes good.
Ibig ng barbecue.
Rice. See, in Fort Wayne, there's the authentic Filipino food. It's right in Chicago. Okay, let me see this one. Mm. Tastes really good. The tocino.
Ibang kayo.
Yeah, I'll watch it. Right, let's say this rice wine noodles here. See if it's good. Exactly what I expect. It's really good. This one is really good. The tocino is made out of pork. Mm. Good. Have more squid. Mm. Mm. Better than hamburger. My favorite. Alright. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe, guys.